Okay, alright, come stand over here. Come stand over here. You're going to say something very funny.
Okay.
And action.
Well, you see, my mom says the Dallas Cowboys thing. And, hello, America. Are you the greatest in history? I think the Dallas Cowboys stink. Step right up. I think we're going to knock those socks up today. So step right up. Step up for Joke Town. Why was the person carrying a car door in the desert? Give up.
A person killing a camel in the desert?
No, a person carrying a car
door
in a desert.
In the desert. Why?
Because, this is a joke. This man was carrying.
Hold on, you're next.
This man was carrying a door in the desert.
Got that.
This man said, "Why are you carrying a car door in the desert?" And the man said, "When it's hot, he opens the window and the air comes in." Get it?
Very nice.
Go Dynamite!